Yo, it's Logan with Socialverse. So let's jump into it and show you how to schedule posts using the SV Media Manager. So jumping into it, here we have the SV Media Manager. Basically, this is an all-in-one social media management and scheduling platform that you can use for your business, or if you manage other brands and their social accounts, you can actually do that and schedule posts directly to the platforms and accounts that you want, all using the Media Manager. So jumping into it, we have the Media Manager here, and a good reason to have a tool like the Media Manager for SV is you're able to save time by bulk creating content and then scheduling it to go out in the future. So that way you're not relying on, oh, I got to get this post out today. It can already be scheduled for the future. So jumping into it, we have the main dashboard here. And we're going to jump into this black button, create content. Once we're there, we're going to have the option to actually go ahead and upload an image, upload a video, or share a URL. So if you have a URL such as like a blog post or an outside link that you want to share to your social media platforms, you can directly do that inside of the Media Manager. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is drag this over and upload this to the platform. I'm going to give it a title. And then what I'm going to do is go captions. And then here's the cool part where we're now going to go ahead and create a caption for our pretty much social media post. And if we don't know what to create, we have this cool AI integrated directly into the platform where you can click Caption AI. And what it's going to be is give you the ability to actually create a caption for your post using AI. So let's go ahead and say, write a caption for a cleaning business in South Florida. Since this is the business that we're specifically doing here is Miracle Hands Clean, we're going to go platforms. So we can say it's for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which is also known as X, obviously now, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. I'm just going to go general for now. So you can select the tone and then caption output. And what this is, or caption count. So the different types of captions that you want to generate, you can generate either one caption or 3 different captions to select from. Include hashtags, include emojis, and what I'm going to do is go submit. So what we're going to do is boom, is we now have got 3 different AI generated captions that we could use for this social media post. Obviously, you're going to want to read through them, and then you can, from here, delete them or select and edit that caption specifically. So I'm going to read through these real quickly. I'm going to go ahead reading through this quickly. I'm going to go this one right here. I'm going to save that caption. And then now you can see, boom, that caption has now been added to the social media post. If we scroll down over here, we can actually see that directly right here and get a preview of that specific platform and that specific caption that goes with that social media post. Once you've done that, you can obviously go through and click edit once again, come through, add any details that you want to add right here, and then obviously click save and next step or update caption. And then you can come through and go to your next step to add categories for the post and tags. And then you can also select what platforms you want to pick to. So for Miracle Hands Cleans, we have a Facebook option, Google Business Profile option, and a Instagram option. So we can pretty much schedule to one of those 3 platforms. Then you're going to go ahead and click save. And then once you've saved that content, you're essentially done with the first part. The second part is now we're going to go ahead and click post now. So once we've clicked post now, it'll give us the option to select all accounts or deselect all accounts, or you can go and select one by one each account that you want to publish to specifically, so you have full control. Once you've essentially done that, all you have to do is click post to 3 accounts, and you're essentially done with scheduling your first piece of content here on the SV Media Manager. If you have any questions, just let us know.